We want to solve the following inequalities and indicate the solution on a number line. We have 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to 7. Start by subtracting 3 from both sides of the inequality. Note how we've done the same thing to both sides. On the left we're left with 2x. On the right we're left with 4. Now divide both sides of the inequality by 2. The 2's cancel on the left, so we have x is less than or equal to 2. Indicating this on the number line, here we have 2, and less than or equal to means a filled-in circle and an arrow extending to the left. We now have 3x minus 5 is less than 7. Start by adding 5 to both sides of the inequality. Obviously this line is here for explanation. It's not actually required. On the left we have 3x. On the right we have 12. Divide both sides by 3. On the left we get left with x. On the right we get left with 4. We need to indicate x is less than 4 on a number line. Here's 4. For less than 4, it's a blank circle and an arrow extending to the left.